Hey guys, this is TechXtreme and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website. For this you will need the application Notepad, or you can use Sublime Text. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So basically in this program, the first thing you're going to want to do is type in doc type in caps, HTML, and close it off like that, and make sure to have these inverted commas, and once you've done that, click Ctrl and S and save it to where you'd like to have it saved. So for me, I'm just going to save it into my downloads, and you're going to want to name that index.html. The HTML is very important, as if you don't save it as .html, the browser won't know what type of file it is and it won't be able to load up for you. So just save that and go into the next line and type HTML, and for this program it just fills out for me. But if you didn't have this program installed, and if you're just using Notepad, just type in the head for the fourth line, and basically for the fifth line, type in the title thing there, and in between these two commas, you're going to want to type in the title of your website and it will appear up here. So I'm just going to type my simple website and just close it off with the slash with the two inverted commas, and then go into the body. And here you're going to want to H1. You're going to want to type H1, and if you're using the program like I am, you press enter, or just fill this out here. And in the middle, you're going to want to type the title you want to be displayed on this side of the page. So I'm going to type in my simple website. And after that, just go down, and here just type P, and if you're using the program like me, you just press enter, or you just fill this in here. And this is your paragraph, so I'm going to type, for example, hello, my name is TechXtreme and I am doing a YouTube video on how to create a simple website using HTML. So basically, after you've written your first line, and if you want to write more, you can type H2 and basically type in your next parts. Then go underneath and write a paragraph, and you can write some. And when you're done, if you're not using this program, you close off the body, then you close off the HTML, and basically after that you're done, and you can just save it by pressing Ctrl and S, and after that you can just view it. So I'm going to go to where I saved it, I'm going to double click on it, and I can see my website here, and that's how you do it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Comment down below what you thought, and please do get subscribed so that you won't miss any more content like this. I am TechXtreme and I am signing out.